Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home, isn't it? And I hope everybody is inside your home. You're not going out of your home, are you? No, I know you all are good children. So children, yesterday we did something new, that is singular and plural, and I told you the meaning of singular. You can relate the word singular with single, and single means one, and plural with plus sign when you add something, when you add more things together, that you plus it. And while plussing, when you add two things together, that means you are plussing, you are adding more things together, and you can relate that with plural word. Okay, I explained you this. So now today children, I gave you the explanation of the words with when we use s and es at the end of the words to make the singular words into plural words. Do you remember that? What do we use when we have watch? Watch, the word watch is ending with which letter? Watch is ending with CH. So when we add CH, when we have CH at the end, what do we add at the end to make it plural? Do you remember? Yes, we add ES to it to make it plural, because the rule says whenever a word ends with S, double S, X, O, then SH and CH, when any word that ends with these words, we add ES at the end to make those words plural, like one watch and two watches. Yes. Now children, today we are going to start a new concept of singular and plural, and that is adding VES at the end. Okay, now children, there are some words in which we add VES at the end to make it plural, to make those words plural. And let's see what are those words. Okay, like, what is this? This is a knife. This is a knife. And then, what is this? This is a leaf. Very good. This is a leaf. Then, what is this? This is a loaf of bread. This whole packet of bread is called as loaf of bread. Okay, loaf. Now children, you can see here that these all words are ending with either FE or F. There are more words like wife, like calf. Okay, so you can see that these all words, they end with either FE or F. Okay, now children, whichever words that end with FE or F, when we have to make these words plural, we remove these FE or F and add VES at the end to make these words plural, like knife becomes knives, then leaf becomes leaves, loaf becomes loaves. Okay, wife becomes wives, then calf becomes calves. Okay children, I think you must have understood. Any word that ends with FE or F, then, and if you have to make those words plural, So we remove these words, these word enders from the end, and we add VES at the end to make those words plural. Like if we have one knife, we say many knives. Yes, knives. And when we have only one leaf, we say leaf. And when we have many leaves, we say leaves. Okay, they are called as leaves. In the same way, if we have one packet of bread, this packet of bread is called loaf of bread. When we have many packets of bread, we say loaves of bread. Okay, now I think you must have understood this, that when the word ends with FE or F, then we remove those words and add VES to make those words plural. If you have to make those words plural.